Ano pa ito?
Youth for Ball Python, Barbie Florendo, together with their banner. Team member, Sandagan San Carlo, Elia Anthony, Kenneth Chan Team Captain, and Bacolod Jomar. Requesting Ball Python players,
Abot nga.
center. And also we have Jude Ramasyon, center Captain banner. Sige na. Ready. Ready. 1, 2, 3. Alright, next. Fernando Bacolod, Vince Letrabo, Jason Bacolod, Giselle Florendo, Ryan Bacolod, Danny Garrido, and Arnold Habay-Habay. Picture. Center. 1, 2, 3. Smile, guys. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Next. Team members, Erwin Bacolod, Vestico Lahera, Jade Bacolod, Jade Dakara, Ryan Dakara, and Nash Nevera. The Mighty Bears. Picture. Ready. Ready, and 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Next. Team member, Francel Bactol, Rani Yutargo, Lionel Mabay-Mabay, Ervin Flores, Christian Briere, Salvador Bacolod, and Aljor Bacolod. The Team Dragon Ballers. Ready, center. Ready, and 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3. Okay. Next. Albert Bacolod, Marvin Sandagan, James Charlie, Jojo Matondo, John Lloyd Pañeto, and Jerome Bacolod. They are the Team Greenhouse. Smile. Ready, 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3. Okay. Next. Team member, J.R. Bactol, Melvin Patrimonio, Dorotea Mesa, Ricky Pañero, Marlon Sidney, John Joseph Vindita, and Mondor Bacolod. Atlanta Hoops. Picture. Hi. Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Next, we have here the last team. Team member, Sandro Mesa, Rahab Chopat, Jason Ramasyon, Angelo Ponterada, Ambay, Jericho Sinilia, and Humphrey Matondo. Team Blue Eagles. Ready? And 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So, I would like to request all players, Pakadian Center, you take your oath before we start our liga.